Welcome to Dynamic Circuit. We're going to test OWON-P4305. It's originally unable to tune any voltage from the encoder. We found that encoder defect and encoder drive defect. We have changed that electronic space and we're going to try right now. We set at 20 volt here. This is the max current is 3 ampere. Here you can see here maximum voltage OVP over voltages you can set which is you want. After the voltages this equipment will not deliver. This is a cutoff point so called. This is a maximum current and maximum voltage. You can tune this voltage by set in between this maximum current and the voltages. So right now I'm set at 20 volt. I'm enabling here. You can see here the original reading is 120. Output is 19.96 on the Flowmeter. The voltage is very accurate. Now I'm going to set at 29. You can see here 28999. Now is at 29 volt. Output is very stable and very perfect. You can on off use by these buttons. You can change the settings of OVP or whatever the things you can until 31 volt. You can change a current here until 5 ampere. Now I'm going to check the current is 1 ampere. Voltage is you can see here I'm set at 20 volt. Now I'm going to set here. Even though I set at 24 will not appear. You can see here alarm sound is blinking. Because you are setting OVP is at 20. So in between 20 only you can able to set. Now you can see here 14%. Same thing happening in that current also. If you set more current, this automatically cut off and shows this alarms. Successfully we are repaired own power supply using in industry. Please visit for your industrial repair solutions, Dynamic Circuit.